Well, here we are, day 2 of March Madness up in Kingman, Golden Valley, Arizona. We're running a trail called Sucker Punch. This is all the folks that are showing up to run this. It's going to be a nice day. Could be a long day. The more vehicles you got on a run, the longer your run is likely to be. So we'll see how it goes. And today we have the lovely Miss Mary and Nico the Wonder Dog. Gonna be a good time. Nico, come here. Come on. There you go. Nico, over here. Go, everybody. You see where Mike went, though? Mike went way over here. Yeah, I know. Got it. Good driver. Come here, Nico. Come on. Good boy. Come here. So we were kind of expecting this to be a short trail, a short day, get back home, have some steaks. As you'll see at the end of the video, that didn't turn out to be the case. So this is the first of a couple really tough obstacles on the trail. I didn't get any video of us going through it because I had to pay attention to driving, but we did kind of lean it way over almost to a roll. A lot of people had trouble with this obstacle. Tell everybody how much fun you had laying on your side, Mary.
It was awesome.
Nico, can you say how much fun you had laying on your side? Pivot! Pivot!
Gonna set it on the slider.
You're doing all right. You're doing just fine. Walking around the foot side. Good.
Yeah, just like that.
Yeah, we're just gonna follow it around.
There you go. You got it. There you go. Just kind of follow it around.
Look at you!
Good job, Marianne. I turned around and saw the hole underneath of that.
Yeah, but watch out for that rock that's coming up here. This thing's long.
Yeah, it is. But I'll bet you I'm the same length. There you go. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh!
Just a hair forward. Go forward.
Go forward and come down. Go
No,
forward.
no, no! Go forward!
Forward!
Do a nice wave for the camera. There you go. Turn it down a little bit.
No, no.
There you go. Yeah. Want me to check the fluid next time you do
Watch
that?
out, them coil springs fly out sometimes.
Cut all our rock.
There you go.
Now
Slider.
turn.
Faster and slide. Slider will turn into you. There you go. Got it. Now farther back. You're there. Straight around.
He needs to go passenger. Or driver, I mean.
Screw it.
Yeah, but he's not to the top of this rock yet. That's where Mike's walking.
Straight around, you're gone. Coming up right now. Beautiful. Easy, nice, gentle. I know. Just be gentle. There you go.
Stay passenger, man. You're doing great.
Told you, I got you, Peggy. Look at that.
Now turn. Top goes. Go driver, Peggy. Driver. There you go.
Good job, Grandma Peggy.
Go easy right there.
Idle through, Peggy. You got it.
You got it.
Driver. Driver.
There you go. Yeah, now it's fine. There you go. You got it. Now go drive it. You got it.
Is Scott gonna need any tools again?
What? So this is the last really tough obstacle on the trail. Right in front of Kevin there's a boulder, and you either have to go left really close up against that big boulder, or you have to go right between the boulder and the big boulder on the right. A lot of people got hung up here.
That rock. You don't got a lot of room, so turn first. There you go. Stay hugging that rock. Come all the way up. Now start turning hard back. Yeah, try to run it right a bit. She'll put a bunch of rocks, you might make it now.
Yeah, right there. Come, keep them that way. Yep.
Just like that.
Yep. Keep coming.
Keep going. There you go. Right there.
So Peggy had stock Dana 60 knuckles on the front axle on her Jeep, and she ended up cracking one in half. So with no other options, no spare parts, we decided to try and weld it together.
Another rod.
Yeah,
On your left there, buddy.
After a couple hours of wrenching, we put it all back together and had high hopes that we were headed home for dinner. But because we didn't preheat the cast steel and use high nickel rod, it only made it about 150 yards before it broke again. Nobody was in the mood to shoot any more videos. We just wanted off the trail, so there is no more video. We made a call to Tom. Tom scavenged a knuckle from an axle at Kevin's house and drove it out to us. We put it all back together and made it home in the dark and had Sonic burgers for dinner. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.